2 Skar 2Ks and 4 Skar SDR 10s.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Oh wow. Who built the box?
Alternator Illusion and Jessup.
Okay. Could you tell me the equipment real quick?
2 Skar 2Ks and 4 Skar SDR 10s.
Do you know what the box specs are?
The box is tuned to 35.
Okay.
They got a custom battery slot.
That looks good. Wow, nice and clean.
Yeah. I didn't even know he was going to do the carpet.
That looks good. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
I'll show you the wiring too.
Okay. Very nice. Is 400 amp. Wow. And there's just one battery right here in the middle? Okay. Any alternator or stock?
No, I haven't upgraded them yet. Maybe
Okay.
have to.
All right. So what was your name?
Zack Smith.
Zack Smith, okay.
Going to EVL soon, just waiting for them to get in stock.
Ooh, the subs are almost maxing out in some of the notes. You haven't noticed it?
Yeah. Those amps are 9 1/4 the way turned up.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And that's 2K amps on 24 subs.
Oh, okay. Do you have a voltage? How was your voltage?
I haven't connected one yet.
You don't connect one? Okay.
No, I need to get one though.
Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man.
No problem.
Your name one more time.
Zack Smith.
All right, Zach.
Okay.
subs are almost maxing out in some of the notes. You haven't noticed it?
Yeah. Those amps are not even a quarter of the way turned up.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And that's 2K amps on 24 subs.
Oh, okay. Do you have a voltage? How was your voltage?
I haven't connected one yet.
You don't connect one? Okay.
No, I need to get one though.
Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man.
No problem.
Your name one more time.
Zack Smith.
All right, Zach.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.